Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW guys with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine guys, I'm talking about engine N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 guys, and you're trying to find where your coolant temperature sensor is located and how to replace it, stay with us and we'll explain that today. We'll demonstrate on N52 engine guys, but pretty much all of them are built on that engine, so the location will be very close guys, and we'll show you where to look for the coolant temperature sensor guys, the one that reads for the gauge and tell you if everything is perfect, okay, if your car is overheating or not guys. Before we start, okay, quick introduction to the channel. Now if you need to buy a new sensor, okay, any of the tools or parts that we use guys, check out the links in the description of the video below. We share them for your convenience. Second, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. Specifically we have N52 engine here guys that we will demonstrate on, so let me show you guys what we have here and how you can find your coolant temperature sensor guys. So right here now you need to guys locate where your oil filter housing is located, like right here. You may have an oil cooler, okay, oil cooler here that's being connected to the cooling system of the car, but in our case we don't have that one. It really depends on the configuration guys. And the oil filter housing bolts to the cylinder head guys. Right here you will have one hose here from the cylinder head, and this hose right above it guys, that sensor is your coolant temp sensor. Now let me explain the correct way to replace that thing guys. Correct way: drain your coolant. Okay, if you want to see how to drain coolant on BMW, we have it on the channel. But you can practically remove it guys, okay, without draining the coolant. But you have to make sure the car stays overnight and you do not drive the car for at least 24 hours. The engine is extremely cold, do not start it. Then slowly open the radiator cap guys on your BMW. Okay, let's go ahead, open it. And slowly guys, slowly, because it can release pressure and it can spray coolant in you, so don't go fast like we do, just go slow, let the pressure release, then open the cap. After guys the pressure is released, make sure the engine is cold, get rubber gloves on guys. We will need 22mm socket. We need to disconnect that wire. Simply guys press here on the metal piece, pull it up, okay, disconnect it. Let me explain how quick guys. Okay, like that. Now make sure you stay until the end. I want to share something because you may get a pocket of air guys. Now 22mm socket, get it loose guys. The moment you get it loose, okay, nope, it's not, the socket is not deep enough. Nope, you're going to mess it up. So if you don't have deep enough socket, open end box wrench, okay, does it as well guys. Go ahead, loosen it. Once you loosen it guys, okay, start removing it. Now with a rubber glove, close that hole guys, okay, plug it in before it leaks out. Perfect. We leak just a little bit, not much. Now this is the sensor. Make sure the washer stays on the sensor guys and it's not on the cylinder head, because later guys, okay, what can happen actually, if you put two washers you may develop a leak. Now another thing, now if you need to buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. Okay, so I'll try to put the link, check it out. And when you install it, you get a pocket of air, so make sure you stay until the end. Okay, you just grab the sensor, okay, and you quickly install it. Okay, let me go ahead and catch it quick. Okay, perfect. Now just get it tight. So if you guys have a pocket of air, okay, but let's wait for that. Now when you get it tight, it's easy to break that sensor. Do not over tighten it. I'll try to put the torque specs in the description of the video below, and don't forget to plug that wire in. And that pocket of air guys that you may develop now may lead to overheating your engine guys. There is a special procedure that you can follow, and you can find it on our channel guys for BMW E90, how to bleed the cooling system the correct way to get that air out. I'll recommend to follow that guys. Make sure you don't leak too much coolant out, add some if you need. If you need to buy a certified BMW coolant guys, we're going to put the link in the description of the video below, so please guys check it out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.